Hi friends, how are you? I hope you're doing just fine. Lately, I've been feeling a little bit heavy. My body is easily tired and my mind is playing old scenarios. I feel like I just don't want to do anything, not even want to make a video. I just want to sleep until I had headache because too many sleep. I'd prefer lack of sleep because it's easier to solve it. A cup of strong black coffee will do its magic, and it's enough. Life is good one day and then it's not good. Life is happy and then it sucks. I feel like I'm going in a merry-go-round, round and round. Always go back to the same thing at first. And then I stop everything. I do my meditation and connecting to my inner self. The feeling I felt show me that the fear that I still carried inside me. This YouTube thing, this new thing, makes me overwhelm myself. So I ride the wave of the fear and the uncertainty of this world. Oh, I'm sorry, but at this stage, please don't add flour. I know you are tempted to use more flour, but please don't. I know it's sticky and it's wet and it's not nice in your hand, but believe me, don't add flour. If you add more flour, the bun will not be as soft as this one. The kneading process will make it elastic and homogeneous. Trust me. Oh, how I love kneading. It's so therapeutic for me. It's like my meditation. Yes, back to my story. I think this is the first time I commit doing something new that lasts long since my first video, which is a month ago. Usually, I get hyped about one new thing and pumped out, but it only lasts for a few hours. And it happens again and again and again. Maybe it's because the thing that I feel hype about is not the right thing to do. That's why the feeling only lasted a bit. I used to feel frustrated about this emotional roller coaster, rushing me into the journey of finding my passion. But now I realize all the frustration was something I have to experience to reach the next level of consciousness. I know it's easier said than done. I know it sucks. Yeah, it is sometimes. I think that this is the way to live a good life, to unify our dark and our light, merging the yin and the yang, by feeling everything, be real and be honest. Not bypassing by staying positive and abandon the negative emotion. I think somehow the core of every human is the same. We want to love, to be loved, and to be seen for who we really are. And hey, I really love this molding part, rolling around like that. So satisfying to watch. I'm so hungry. Let me eat some pasta with lots of cheese. Oh, I really love to eat. Can't you see? So yummy. I didn't sound like ASMR, right? Sometimes I found the sound is scary. Sorry. I always have some homemade frozen food, so when hunger attacks, it's easy to make a good meal. Yummy. Oh, look at them, so bouncy and clean, just like a baby's butt. I feel so satisfied watching this. So satisfied. I hope in this video, I am inspiring you not to fear to feel your emotions. If you don't face it, it will haunt us forever. Don't be afraid to feel it. Please get some help if you need to. Asking for help is a sign of bravery and strength. It is a very good step if you cannot do it alone. And it's okay. It's okay. Thank you so much for being here with me. Enjoy your journey. See you again. Bye.